Okay, now see question number 6. Question number 6 says, if 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Okay, so you see, so let me first name it. Let the vertices be vertices of the parallelogram, say of the parallelogram be A, first point A is 1 2 comma B, second point 4y C, third point x6 and D is the last point, that is the fourth point. D is 3 5. Okay, now this is the parallelogram. Parallelogram, you know, A, B, C, D. Okay, parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. So A is 1 2, B is 4y, C is x 6 and D your 3 5. Okay, now see, this is the parallelogram. Now we are going to find the value of x and value of y. Okay, now see, I draw the diagonals of the parallelogram. Say diagonals by this one intersect at point O. Okay, Achha. Now since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other means AC and BD intersecting at point O. So that means AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO. That means O is the midpoint of AC, O is the midpoint of BD also. This point is the midpoint of AC, this point also the midpoint of BD. Okay, so therefore the coordinates coordinates of the midpoint of AC, diagonal AC, equal to coordinates of the midpoint of what is called BD. Okay, coordinates of the midpoint of AC, coordinates of the midpoint of BD is the same point, because this is the same point. Okay, same point. So this implies coordinates of the midpoint of AC equal to coordinates of the midpoints BD. Okay, now midpoint means this one is x1 y1. So for AC, x1 y1 x2 y2. So that means x2 plus x1 divided by 2, that means x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the value of x here for AC, and this one y2 plus y1 divided by 2, that means 6 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, equals, for BD also same, O is the midpoint, same x2 plus x1 divided by 2, say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, that means 3 plus 4 divided by 2 and 5y plus 5 or 5 plus y divided by 2. Okay, that means now this value of x and this value of y are respectively equal to this value of x and this value of y. Okay, because this is, what is this point? This point is the same point. Okay, because this point is that point where these diagonals are bisecting each other. That is the point, and these are the coordinates of that point with respect to diagonal AC, and these are the coordinates of that point with respect to diagonal BD. So this implies this equal to this, x plus 1 by 2 equals 3 plus 4 by 2. Okay, and let me I remove this one, okay, and 6 plus 2 by 2 equals 5 plus y by 2. Okay, here denominator 2, there denominator 2 is okay, I remove the denominator. Okay, so x plus 1 equal to 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, so here dividing both side by multiplying both side by into 2. Okay, so similarly here you get this one, and 6 plus 2, these two cancel is 8, equal to 5 plus y. So here also I multiply by 2 both side. Okay, so that 2 is gone. So this into 2, this into 2 cancel, this into 2 cancel, and this into 2 into this, 2 cancel, 2 into this, 2 cancel, so into 2 into 2. Okay, so that means here you get x equal to 7 minus 1, here you get 8 minus 5 equal to y. Okay, so here therefore x equal to you get 6, and therefore y equal to you get 3. So these are the value of x equal to 6, y equal to 3. Okay, or if you don't remove these twos, consider means okay, do cross multiplication and all, add, do cross multiplication also same. Since here denominator 2, this is an equation, denominator 2. Okay, both have denominator 2. So by multiplying both the sides by 2, you remove 2. Here also multiplying both the sides by multiplying by 2, you can remove 2. Okay, so these are the values of x and y. X equal to 6, y equal to 3. Okay.